Okay, so it's like, konnichiwa?
Yes.
Wow.
Perfect.
How do I say, you're hot, you're my type.
あなたはイケてるね。
あなたは生きてるね。
Yes, and あなたは僕のタイプ。
あなたは僕のタイプ。
Perfect.
Kanon, what's your type of guy?
My type is fun, gentle, and unique.
Yeah, that's all good, but older man, totally worth dating.
What? Like 29?
More like 89.
Ah, so what type of guy do you like?
I like them old and rich, but with an incurable disease. Yeah, you know, younger guys, Kanon, they're not worth it.
Drinking less is definitely worth trying.
Bitch. This word, worth, pronunciation before anything else. Worth. Say it with me. Worth. Worth. Basically, this talks about the value of something. Not necessarily the price or how much you paid, but the value that you think this thing has. For example, look at my car. I increased the value. You added flames. Yep, that means it goes faster. How much is it worth now? Well, it was £2,000, but with the flames, now I think it's worth like £10,000. It's not worth £10,000. So they're talking about the value of the car, but the value that he thinks it has and the value that he thinks it has. So it's quite common to talk about the financial value of something with worth. Other examples might be, see this hat? It's worth $1 billion. It's worth an absolute fortune. You know why? Beyonce sneezed on it. You'll often hear the word fortune with worth. It's worth a fortune. A fortune means a lot of money, but I mean like a crazy amount of money. My company's worth $1 billion. I said my company is worth $1 billion. Do you want to date me? Oh, you're with your boyfriend? Fine. So yeah, worth for financial value, but we also use it to talk about the value of doing something. We use it to describe if the benefit of doing something is more or better than the cost or the energy that you use to do something. For example, if you travel to the USA, it's worth getting health insurance. Why? Yes, it costs some money, but the benefit is so much more than the cost, because if you don't have the health insurance, you're dead, basically. Healthcare is insane in the USA. It's actually insane. This is the form. It, a version of be, depending on future or past, and the plural or single. Worth. Then the verb in the ing form. For example, worth getting health insurance. Another example. Bro, it's really worth meditating in the morning. Like, sure, it takes like 20 minutes, but you'll feel great all day, bro. Okay, how about the negative form? Now we're saying the benefit, it's much lower than the cost, so maybe don't do this thing. For example, if you come to London, some advice I can give you. I think it's not worth going on the London Eye. The cost is a lot, it's very expensive, and the benefit, I mean, you see the tops of buildings, and that's about it. It's very boring. It's rubbish. Side note, if you visit London, don't go on the London Eye. Go to Primrose Hill. It's the highest land point in London. It's near Camden. The views are amazing. You can see all over London and it's free. So, that form again, it's not worth going on the London Eye. Now, we can flip this sentence by making that verb the subject of the sentence. Let's have a look. Going on the London Eye isn't worth it. Now, for replies, it's very, very short. For example, hi, I've just moved to London. Should I buy a car? Nope, it's not worth it. In this case, the it in it's not worth it refers to buying a car. So we don't need to repeat the verb again. It's not necessary. I mean, we could repeat it. Buying a car in London isn't worth it, that's fine. But we both know the verb, it. Also, true story, it's not worth it. In London, no one really drives. Everyone takes the tube or the bus or any type of public transport. I don't even have a driver's license. Can't drive. Londoner. Okay, now you understand how it works. Let's look at some other fun ways you can use it. For example, I'm having a party and I want to invite my friend Jeff to the party. So, I ask my friend, what do you think? Should I invite Jeff? Please don't invite Jeff. He gets really drunk and then says to everyone, you're stupid, you're stupid. I mean, he's fun for 5 minutes, but it's not worth the drama. So he's saying the drama, all of this is the cost and it's much bigger than the benefit of he's fun for 5 minutes. It's not worth the drama. This is kind of common. I hear this a lot actually. Not about me, I'm fine. I'm fun. Invite me to your next party. Okay, the replies with this can be very short. For example, did you go to that party last night? Yep. How was it? Mate, totally worth it. I had to drive 3 hours to get there, but the party was amazing. Or even shorter. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. Should I bring an umbrella? Not worth it. In this case, I didn't even say it is not worth it. I just said not worth it. So, as a reply when talking, in positive or negative, you don't really need the it is. Worth it. I'm fat but happy. That party, not worth it. Okay, test time. Write in the comments your reply to these questions. Use worth in any form that you like. Long or short doesn't matter. Number 1, what do you think? Is it worth subscribing to my channel? Number 2, okay, I love Baby Yoda, but is it worth getting Disney Plus? Number 3, the last holiday that you took. Where did you go? And was it worth the money you spent? 4, we are going on a long trip. We're going to drive for 7 hours. How can you tell me that it's a good idea to pee before we drive for 7 hours? Use the word worth. 5. If you've ever used Tinder or Bumble, Hinge, any of those dating apps, what do you think? Is it worth using dating apps? Número 6. I drew a picture just for you. How much do you think this is worth? And of course, make your own examples in the comments. Give me advice for visiting your city, or give me life advice using worth. And remember to put your examples in your Instagram stories. Tag me @PapaTeachMe and I'll repost the best ones. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next class.
Nailed it.